check out this spot here in Atlanta, right here on MLK. It's called Durty Bird Wings. So we're finna go inside, sample it. There's Mrs. Sullivan over there. So we get ready to go check it out, see what they got. Hopefully it's delicious. I go to the sign right there, Durty Bird Cafe, little address. Let's see what they got inside. Look at that. So y'all know where y'all at. You know I'm a Bear fan. I guess I suppose somebody with the title Durty Bird.
It look good enough for me to grab this food. It's his food. It's nice.
She's gonna eat my food. She's gonna sample, but it look good, y'all. I think it's Cajun chicken pasta.
Cajun chicken pasta.
All right.
I'm trying to get
Miss
my
Sullivan,
fork in it.
you see the fork? Look at that. We're gonna go to this other place after we leave here. All right.
Wait a minute.
Oh, okay. Let me see. If you go back for seconds, it's good.
It's good, but it's hot.
Oh, heat like fire.
It almost could be a little spicy, a little salty. Almost.
Okay.
Come on.
Let me try it now.
This is so ghetto.
Okay.
It's good, but it almost could be a little salty, couldn't it? I don't mess with all that. Oh, you went back to 2 bites.
I didn't get a piece of chicken.
All right, y'all. We gotta get in the car.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Just a little bit of that.
Spice, just a little bit.
Yes.
Another first timer on this fine, beautiful Saturday. What's your name? Where you coming from? Karen Smyrna. Okay, she's a Karen Smyrna. Okay, so Georgia, you got a sugar crab. No, we got a shrimp plate with noodles and turkey. Yes. Go right ahead. Ooh. She said she been watching us for a year, yes.
Yep.
It's
That's
good.
it.
It was worth the year waiting.
Not the man before that.
Oh, okay. Oh, before, so you've been waiting. Right, but it was worth it.
When you on my YouTube.
Okay. Yes, okay. You're so good. Yeah.